Hello viewers, we'll be going over natural gas. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis. We're currently down 9.5% on the 1 hour chart. We are at oversold levels on the RSI. We were about to approach to positive MACD, however, we since reversed early this morning. As for the 4 hour chart, we continue to reach oversold levels on the RSI and we are still in negative MACD territory. If we expand that a bit further onto the daily chart, what we have here is we are nearing oversold on the daily RSI and we have now just approached to negative MACD territory. At the moment, we're currently below the 150-day moving average, that is a red line. So if we do manage to reverse higher, that will act as our resistance, and an additional resistance level will be the 200-day moving average, this green line, and that is around a price of $1.94. At the moment, we have the 9 moving average diverging onto the 18-day moving average, the blue and purple lines respectively, so there is still continuing downward momentum. If we do manage to move down lower, the next possible support will be where we had past resistance levels, and since we're above resistance, that now acts as our support, and that is around $1.75. On the other hand, if we do manage to reverse higher, the next resistance to the upside will be around the price of $2.16, and that coincides with past support levels, and since we're below support, that now act as our resistance. So for the trade idea of the week, I'll be trading UNG, and my long entry will be $10.72, which is this range right there, and that would be filling in the gap where we had between July 31st and August 3rd, so that will be my long entry, and my sell target will be $12 and my stop loss will be $10.59. On the other hand, if I were to open a short position, my entry will be $13, which is coinciding with the 18-day moving average, this purple line. That will be my short position, and my sell target will be $10.86 and my stop loss will be $14.10. So whichever entry hits my price will be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, we have a 13% chance for natural gas to climb higher between 0 to 9.6%, and to the downside we have a 75% chance for it to fall between 0 to negative 9.6%. And on the extreme down case, we have a 13% chance for it to fall between negative 9.6% to negative 19%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.